Immediately.
Police officer Geoffrey Kenywa took to the stand to read the confession of police informer Peter Ngugi. In his written statement, Ngugi revealed how the murder of the three was planned and executed by 4 police officers from Mlolongo Administration Police Post. Ngugi, a former boda rider, was recruited as a police informer in 2011. Lawyer Willie Kimani, his client, and the taxi driver were killed by police officer Frederick Leliman, who suffocated them with a polythene bag and strangled them with a rope before dumping their bodies in the Oldonyo Sabuk River. His job, he says in the confession, was to remove the victims from the boot of the car and hand them to the police for execution.
After all the 3 victims were killed, and the bodies placed in the 2 cars, we took off towards the main Mombasa-Nairobi highway. I drove the wing road which had the 2 bodies, where the NZE with the other body was driven by Kamejo.
In the 21-page confession read out in court by Chief Inspector Geoffrey Kenywa, the police informer says he met Leliman in April 2016 through his friend Mlolongo OCS Stephen Lelei. Ngugi says Leliman told him that there was a case that was bothering him. He revealed to Ngugi that he had previously shot and injured a person, and that injured man was really pushing for his dismissal and was being assisted by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority (IPOA) in the case. On 22nd June 2016, Ngugi says they met with Leliman, who told him that the case against him was set for hearing on 23rd June and he had no option but to eliminate the complainant. It was at that meeting that Ngugi was allegedly assigned his role in the murder plot. He was supposed to follow the complainant after the court attendance and keep informing Leliman about the man's movement.
I'm sick.
High Court Judge Jesse Lesit heard how on 23rd June, Ngugi left from Lolongo and while on his way to the station, he met Leliman driving. He got to the front seat and was introduced to a lady who would identify the wanted man. Leliman later dropped them at Mlolongo bus station and Ngugi was given 2,000 Kenya shillings, which he was told to share with the lady. At the Mavoko Law Court, where the case was being heard, Ngugi says the lady showed him the wanted man.
Drove to the city, Cabanas, flyover, and took the Northern bypass. We drove through Roiro, Shika Makogeni, that is Garissa Road, up to Donyo Sabuk.
Ngugi says Willie Kimani, his client, and the taxi driver were then abducted while leaving the court and forced to get into Leliman's car. 4 administration police officers, Frederick Leliman, Stephen Cheburet, Sylvia Wanjiku, and Leonard Maina Mwangi and Ngugi, the police informant, are facing charges of killing Kimani, Mwenda, and Mwirori. The bodies of the 3 victims were found in Athi River near Oldonyo Sabuk Police Post a week after their disappearance. George Maringa, KTN.